Hello everyone, I am Varsha Agrawal from PGDM second semester. Today I am giving a presentation on the topic digital marketing in marketing management. Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote product and services. It has been called digital marketing, internet marketing, e-marketing and web marketing, and these alternative terms has varied through time. The role of digital platforms in supporting integrated multi-channels marketing is an essential part of digital marketing but is often overlooked. 5 Ds of digital marketing. We choose to use terminology digital marketing channels rather than types, as each channel that may be used to reach potential customers may be complex, depending on the level of integration and tactics you apply across your digital marketing strategies and campaigns. Our race planning framework maps the online customer journey across all potential touchpoints, showing the scale and opportunity digital marketing provides more than just a website or a Facebook page. To understand the importance of digital marketing to the future of marketing in any business, it's beneficial to think about what target audience interaction we need to understand and manage. Digital marketing today is about many more types of target audience interaction than website or email. The 5 Ds define the opportunities for customers to interact with brands and for business to reach and learn from their audiences in different ways. The first one is digital devices. Audience experience brand as they interact with business websites and mobile apps, usually through a combination of connected devices, which includes smartphones, tablets, desktop computers, TVs, and gaming devices. The second one is digital platforms. Most interaction on these devices are through a browser or apps from the major platform or services, that is Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The third one is digital media. Digital paid on and earned communication channels for reaching an engaging audience, including advertising, email and messaging, search engines, and social networks. The fourth one is digital data. The insight businesses collect about their audience profiles and their interactions with business, which now need to be protected by law in most countries. The last one is digital technology. The marketing technology that business use to create interactive experience from website and mobile apps to in-store kiosks and email campaigns. Here is the link where I have taken the content.